Welcome to Fluent English Power. If you're serious about improving your English, then make it a natural part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth. In this video, you'll learn 4 powerful habits you should follow every day to boost your speaking skills. And yes, they're simple and fun. Let's get started. Let English become your daily habit. Learning English, or any language, takes time, patience, and dedication. But the key difference between those who struggle and those who succeed is consistency. The most successful English learners don't treat English as a task. They make it a part of their everyday life. It becomes as normal as checking your phone in the morning. If you're aiming to speak fluently, your practice must turn into a daily habit. That's why I'm sharing 4 easy yet powerful things you should do every single day to improve your English. And don't worry, these aren't heavy tasks. In fact, I'll show you how to make them enjoyable too. Quick note: language learning opportunity. Before we dive into these tips, a quick shout out to our partners at Lingoda. If you want to practice speaking English daily and stay committed, their language sprint is perfect. It offers daily online classes with qualified native teachers. And here's the best part: if you attend every class, you could get up to 100% of your money back. Classes are small, the materials are provided, and they're now Cambridge certified, which means you also get access to an official online language test. If you're ready for the ultimate challenge, try their Super Sprint, 30 classes per month for 3 months. If that feels too intense, there's also the regular sprint, 15 classes per month. Complete it successfully and receive 50% back. Registration closes soon, so check the link in the description and use code JOIN1 to get €10 off your deposit. Daily pronunciation practice. The first and most important daily habit is pronunciation. Practicing your pronunciation every day is a game changer. Not because you need to erase your accent, that's not the goal, but because you need to be clearly understood. I've met many advanced learners with great grammar and vocabulary, yet they struggle to communicate effectively because their pronunciation is unclear. This can make conversations awkward or frustrating. Often in school, pronunciation wasn't a major focus. Teachers cared more about exam scores than real-world speaking skills. But in real-life conversations, pronunciation and fluency matter a lot more than perfect grammar. That's why you should start focusing on clear pronunciation from today. It will save you from confusion and help you express yourself confidently. So, how do you begin? I strongly suggest learning the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet. If you don't know much about it yet, it's worth exploring. Understanding IPA helps you pronounce any English word accurately using the correct sounds. It's a powerful tool for self-correction. Another excellent method is shadowing. Listen to native speakers and try to repeat after them. You can use imitation lessons, like the ones we offer here, to copy and speak along with a model. This builds your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence naturally over time. Practice with imitation and read aloud exercises. One of the best ways to improve your pronunciation is by using imitation lessons. These are short, powerful 10-minute videos designed for regular practice. You can add them to your playlist and revisit them often. As you practice more, try recording your own voice and then compare it to the original speaker. This will help you notice the small errors in your pronunciation and train your ears to hear English sounds more clearly. A link to these imitation lessons is in the description, and I'll also include one at the end of this video, so don't miss it. Another simple yet powerful method is reading out loud daily. When you read English aloud daily, you train your mouth to form the correct sounds and rhythms. Over time, your tongue and mouth muscles get more used to speaking in English. The best part? You only need 5 to 10 minutes a day to see real results. And yes, it can be fun too. Sing your favorite English songs out loud. Whether it's pop, rock, or a movie soundtrack, singing is another great way to improve pronunciation while enjoying yourself. So here's a little trick. Choose a time during your day to absorb English and make it part of your routine. Maybe it's while commuting, during your lunch break, or right before bed. Link it with another habit so it becomes automatic. Also, keep a notebook nearby. Whenever you hear a new word or phrase, jot it down. Later, you can review and practice using those words yourself. Simple, right? And super effective.